Welcome to another wireframing tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through how to design a mobile travel app using MockFlow. We'll start by adding a mobile frame from the iOS 26 UI kit. This will be the foundation for all three screens. Then, drag in a status bar component that includes battery percentage, time, and network coverage. Next, let's set the background for the screen. Add a rectangle with your preferred background color, then insert an illustration from the MockFlow image library. You can customize the uploaded image to match your app's branding. Now, add a welcome title for the screen, followed by a short description. These elements set the tone and help onboard new users. Add a button component and label it Get Started. Let's move on to the second screen, the dashboard. This screen displays the user's details and preferred travel location. Start by placing a location icon and entering the city or country name. Add a greeting text like Good Morning. Below that, display the user's name and add a notification icon to the top right corner for alerts. Next, add a search bar along with a filter icon for refining search results. Now, create a transportation mode section using the rectangle component. Each rectangle will represent a mode of transport like flights, trains, or buses. Add a name and relevant icon to each from MockFlow icon library. Below that, create a popular destinations section. Add a title, followed by multiple image placeholders. To add the image which are uploaded from MockFlow image library. On each image, add a semi-transparent rectangle overlay. Then, insert the place name, country, and an icon in the top right corner of the image that links to detailed destination info. Next, let's build a floating bottom navigation bar with icons for home, calendar, search, and profile. Moving to the third screen, the ticket booking screen. Start with a section that shows the departure and arrival locations. Place a flight icon in between to visually indicate the route. Then add a button labeled Search Flights. Add a date selection section next. Use circle components for each date. Label them with the day and date using text components. Finally, build a ticket results section. Reuse destination cards from earlier, and customize them to show flight name, seat class, terminal, and flight timing. Duplicate the layout to show multiple options. Don't forget to reuse the bottom navigation bar from the dashboard screen. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to explore more wireframing videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more.